soft echo in terminal blue. Every step rewinds the truth. Silence folding into beats, breathing through the empty streets. Shallow light along the wall fades before the shadows fall. Patterns hum in quiet lines. Time dissolves between the signs. In this hollow, drifting view, I return to something new. Echo terminal and slow, guiding where the pulses go. Fragments whisper thin and clear. Static shapes that disappear. In the stillness, voltage grows. Underneath the undertows. Reflections cutting through. All that's lost and all that's true. Every echo soft and few. Circles back to terminal blue.